Hey, aspiring niche internet micro-celebrity here. I've made something quite cursed, and I want to show it to you. I've made an AI tool that can generate, let's say, quick and educational content.
Liar!
The idea originally popped into my head when I saw this video of these guys saying, oh, here's how you can make $10,000 a month using ChatGPT to generate videos. And I was curious. Reminding me a lot of the AI influencers on Twitter who are like, here are 10 ChatGPT prompts that can literally make you come, right? So I was intrigued, right? I wanted to see if this was a real thing that they were selling me here. And basically what they did, they used ChatGPT to write the script. They would then take this script that it generated, drag it over to an AI text-to-speech SaaS tool, and then take that, drag it over to this AI video editor, find images manually on Google, drag them into this editor, and then piece the whole thing together. And I think some of them used royalty-free music in the original video as well. And the idea was to basically have these videos that you could just generate in, like, I don't know, 20 minutes that you would use to post on like TikTok or YouTube or wherever short-form content is. And this immensely bothered me, primarily because it wasn't automated. Like, I had no problem with the original concept. In the future, everything will be AI generated anyway, so.
You look lonely.
But the problem was just that it was a very manual process, and they were using all these different paid AI tools. And as an engineer, seeing this and seeing that it was not automated, it rattled my bones. It cleaned my clock. It grinded my gears. It fucked my wife.
Hey, yo, baby,
What?
hey, baby.
What?
Can you and your man take this into the other room, please? I can't hear myself think with all that love making you're doing.
So I decided to look into making my own. And I figured it was a good excuse to practice with this suite of LLM tools in Python called LangChain. And LangChain is ostensibly a way that you can chain LLMs into other tools, which I thought was pretty interesting. You can make custom tools for them to use, you can create these agents, you can make your own auto GPTs essentially. So I decided to go ahead and give it a shot. General overview of how it works. It will first search the internet to find up-to-date information on whatever topic I give it. It will then speak that topic into a text-to-speech file. It will then generate a bunch of images using the Stable Diffusion web UI, which I have hosted locally. Then it uses Facebook's Music Gen model to generate AI music. The disappointing part about that is my GPU is kind of doo-doo giga-ass. So some of the music that it generated was... Let me just show you a sample. That may sound less like music and more like a man violently shitting himself to death, but, you know, 8 gigabytes of VRAM, that's all I can do. So the interesting part about this is the actual prompt that I give the agent is essentially just steps of how I exactly want it to generate the video. I spell out in order what I want it to do. I also set up all of the different tools for the agent to use. So searching the internet is a tool, generating images is a tool, generating the text-to-speech files is a tool, editing the whole thing together is a tool, generating the music is a tool. All of it's a tool. I'm a tool. And basically, it will look at its current task, look at all the tools that it has, and then determine which one is the best to use to accomplish that task. Anyway, enough talking about it. Let me show you some of the videos that it generated.
The 100 Years' War was a series of armed conflicts between the kingdoms of England and France during the late Middle Ages. It originated from disputed claims to the French throne between the English House of Plantagenet and the French House of Valois. The meme Frog Peep is a popular internet meme that originated from a comic strip called Boys Club. Peep is depicted as a green anthropomorphic frog with a mischievous and sometimes controversial personality. Here is an image of the pyramids in Antarctica. Here is another image of the pyramids in Antarctica. This is a third image of the pyramids in Antarctica.
So as you can see, like most of the AI-generated videos you've probably seen, it's cursed. It evokes a deep sense of wariness It rests firmly in the uncanny valley, but I kind of like it. I like how weirdly terrifying it is. Almost like peering into like an alternate dimension where this is the norm for videos. If you want the code for this, if you're interested in taking a look at it, I'll include the GitHub link below. If you're not interested in any of that, okay. But yeah, let me know what you think. That's basically all I have today. I got a couple other AI projects in the works and some non-AI related stuff. So if you're interested in this kind of stuff, stick around. Or if you're just interested in hearing me rant about random nonsense, come back later and I'll be doing more of that. Anyway, that's all for me. Have a good day, and remember to kiss your mom on the mouth.